Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start immediately by prepping. Wash hands and set a flat, dust-free surface so particles don't ruin the install. Use the alcohol wipe, then the microfiber to remove oils, and finish with a dust sticker so you see specks. Once done, peel about half the protector backing and hold the protector by the edges. Align the top edge with the device bezels carefully. Make sure camera and sensors line up before you lower it. Move slowly. This small step prevents big mistakes later. You now secure alignment using hinge tape or by folding back a corner to create a guide. This keeps the protector from shifting. Once aligned, lower the protector slowly from the top toward the bottom, letting it contact the screen in a single, controlled motion. Press the center first, then use a plastic card wrapped in microfiber to push air outward toward the edges. This reduces trapped air. If a stubborn speck appears, lift the nearest edge gently and remove it with a dust sticker, then reapply. You finish by pressing the edges firmly with your fingers, ensuring the adhesive bonds and the protector sits flush. Wipe any surface smudges with the microfiber. Give the adhesive 1 to 2 hours to fully settle for best durability. If you spot small bubbles near edges, push them out toward the bezel with the card. If dust is underneath, use thin tape to lift the protector at one corner, dab the dust off, then realign and lower it back down. If the protector creases or is damaged, replace it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.